Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Google Family Link from your VIVO V23. So firstly, open Settings application, scroll down and choose Google. Then just click Manage your Google account, click Get Started, scroll down, click Data and Privacy, scroll down again, then click Delete your Google account. Now we will delete our Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it later. So enter email, password, then click Next. Scroll down, click Yes, Yes, I understand, and click Delete account. Wait a while and go back to your menu. As you can see, all my apps are unlocking now. All my apps are unlocked, and now we can recover our Google account. To do it, open Play Store, click Sign In, enter your deleted email, click Next. You will see this message. This account was recently deleted, so just click Next, enter your password, click Next, and we will see a message about something went wrong, and now we need to log in into our Google account again. So enter our email, click Next, and just enter your password, click Next again, click I agree, and cool. We have recovered our Google account and we can use it. We can use Play Market, Play Store, all our apps, Byte, are recovered, and it's cool. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.